We used to be a team, Sam. What happened? We used to be a team, Sam. What happened?
Do you believe this entire video was created using just 2 simple sentences? First of all, there was no manual editing. There was no complex setup either. What you just saw was fully planned, structured, and created by an AI agent from start to finish. This tool is called Topview Agent V2, powered by Seedance 2.0. And here's the interesting part. It doesn't just create random clips. Instead, it builds full multi-scene videos. Even more surprising, you can create long-form AI videos of any length, all in one place, without switching between different tools. So now, let me show you exactly how this works. First, go to the Topview AI website using the link in the description. Once you open it, you will see the main interface. From here, you can access tools like the image generator and AI video generator. However, the most important feature for us is Video Agent V2, which is specially designed for long-form video creation. Click on Agent. This is where everything begins. Now, here is the only thing you need to do. Write a simple idea. For example, I will type, make a Disney-style motivational story for high school students. Include friendships, conflicts, small fights, and a sports event. Before we generate the video, let's quickly select the settings. By default, the model is set to standard, powered by Seedance 2.0. This is one of the most advanced AI video models available right now, and the quality it produces is very impressive. Next, choose the aspect ratio, set the resolution, and control the duration. You can create videos up to 5 minutes long, but for this example, I will keep it at 60 seconds. Now, I click Start. At this point, watch carefully. The agent does not immediately create a video. Instead, it first analyzes your idea. Then, it turns your idea into a structured video plan. As you can see, it breaks the story into multiple scenes. Each scene has its own timing, purpose, and flow. This is where Topview Agent really stands out. It is not just generating content, it is also acting like a storyboard artist and a video planner at the same time. Now, I want to improve the result even more, so I will add a few extra instructions. For example, I will ask it to include dialogue, keep character consistency, and make sure each scene connects smoothly. Once I send that, the agent updates the entire plan again. Now we have a much more detailed structure with multiple scenes, clear direction, and better storytelling. You will also notice a reference section. Here, you can upload images or other assets to guide the visuals. This is very useful if you want more control over the final result. After everything looks good, I click to insert the plan. Now, all the scenes are ready to be generated. Each scene has its own prompt, and importantly, you can fully customize everything. You can edit the prompts, change the duration, or improve them further. For example, if I click Enhance, the AI will automatically improve the prompt by adding more details. This usually gives much better results. So, I will enhance all the scenes before generating. You can also add extra scenes if you want. Now, I confirm the settings again and click Start Generation. At this stage, the AI starts creating each scene one by one. And here is the result. This is the first scene. Notice the animation, the camera movement, and the consistency. Everything feels connected. It does not look like separate clips. Instead, it feels like one complete story. Once all the scenes are ready, I click Finish. Now, everything is automatically placed into the timeline in the correct order. This is one of my favorite parts. When I play the video, you can see how smoothly each scene transitions into the next. Each clip flows naturally, with no sudden cuts or broken continuity. This is exactly what makes Topview Agent V2 different. Most AI tools only create short clips, and often those clips feel disconnected. However, with this tool, you can create full multi-scene videos with proper structure, smooth flow, and strong storytelling. Now, here's the final video.
We used to be a team, Sam. What happened? We used to be a team, Sam. What happened? The big race is tomorrow, and I can't do this alone. I'm sorry, Leo. Let's finish what we started. Try on!
True strength isn't just winning. It's finding your way back to each other.
As you can see, it looks amazing. The visuals are strong, and the story is clear. And remember, this entire video was created using just 2 simple sentences. So, imagine what you can create with a more detailed idea. Also, this tool is not only for storytelling. You can create professional ads, social media content, memes, roleplay videos, reaction-style content, AI UGC videos, and much more. If you are a content creator, this opens up many new possibilities. Finally, one of the biggest advantages right now is the pricing. With the business annual plan, you get 365 days of unlimited Seedance 2.0 usage. This makes it a powerful option if you create content regularly. If you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description. If you need any help, feel free to join our Discord or Telegram group. It's the perfect place to ask questions, share your creations, and connect with other creators who can help you make even better videos. Plus, you'll find all the AI tools and the exact prompts we used in this tutorial, so you can try them out yourself. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.